Yo, what's up? This your boy, and I'm coming at y'all with another video. You feel? You know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna show you how to record in Pro Tools. You know, maybe you just got Pro Tools or you just got the equipment you need. You got your Scarlett, whatever you need, and now you ready to set up and record, but you don't know where to start. So this video, I'm gonna just show you how to get started and loading the beat and how to record in Pro Tools. So let's get to it. You feel me? Okay, now let's say you just got Pro Tools and now you waiting on it to load up. Pro Tools loading up. You come to this box, which is this just allows you to name your session, name your song, whatever song you're working on, and I advise you to actually name it because it can get lost in other files. After you record so many songs, it'll tend to get lost. You feel me? Trust me, I done had hard drives on top of hard drives of music, and if it wasn't for me saving the names under the client's name, the artist's name, or whatever the name of the song is, I wouldn't be able to find nothing. You feel me? So we just gonna name this. Let's get to it. Create from template. You only click this if you have some templates, which is I'm gonna have some templates that I'm gonna be coming out with soon. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can stay tuned on that. So we just gonna start from a blank session. You got your file type, always like WAV. You know, you could go AIF if you want to, but I highly, recommend WAV. Then you got your sample rate, 44 or 48. I normally do 48 just to have a little extra, but they say you only need 44, but I go 48 just to get a little extra quality, even though when you bounce it down, it's gonna convert down to 44 anyway. So I go to 48, and then 24. Some people do a 30, 32, 16. I stick with 24-bit. As far as your IO settings, just have it on, you can have it on stereo mix. We're gonna put it on stereo mix. Now location. Now this is where you wanna save it at. Now, if you on a Mac, whatever you on, I'll probably save it in the documents and then, make you a folder, name it 2022 sessions or whatever you want to name it. I'm gonna name that folder, and then I'm gonna save this inside that folder I just named. So it's right here, boom, and just click open. So now you got that location right there where you're gonna save it at. Then just hit create. So y'all come to a screen like this, and it's just blank, and it's like, okay, what do I do now? And you feel me? So I'm gonna just show y'all, keep it real quick and simple, show y'all how to get started real quick. So if you're gonna load up a beat, whatever beat you got a type beat or whatever. If you guys a beat from a producer or whatever, or even if you made the beat, just click and drag it from here and drop it into the Pro Tools and load it in. Or you could just scroll, because iTunes gonna automatically come up, so you can just scroll to the bottom on iTunes, click it, and you can load it up like that. Or you can go to File, Import Audio, and type in the name of your beat, which is, this one is called Seconds. Click on the one that you just turned to a WAV, which is right here. Convert. Done. It's just asking you where you want to save it at. It's gonna save in the audio file. The audio folder gonna automatically be made for you, so you just save it in the audio file folder. Click open. Now it's loading in. It's processing the audio. Now it's loading in. So we wait for that to load in. Boom, you got your beat. So that's 3 different ways for you to upload your beat real quick and simple. So let's just delete 2 of these real quick. Boom, they're gone. All right, so now you got your beat loaded up. Now you need a track for you to record on. So you just go up here, track, go to new, click, I recommend record your audio, vocals in mono. So mono, audio track, samples, You want it on samples, leave it on audio track. You can name the track if you want to. So there, we just name this lead vocal or lead vox. Okay, so now you got your vocal track. So if you got your Scarlett hooked up, and then you got your mic running directly into your Scarlett, and if it's in the first one, then the input is gonna be input 1. If you got it plugged into the second one, then your input gonna be input 2. So now that we got that set up, we can hit record, bring our mic up, mic check, mic check. So as y'all see, I can hear y'all ain't hearing no vocals. So all that mean is you ain't got your mic turned on. So you got to turn on the 48 power on the preamp. So I'll turn that on. As y'all see, it popped on. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Yeah, as y'all see, now we got some vocals coming through. So what we do, we can record now. Yeah. Now you can just record and have fun, you feel me? Talking and jump out the field. You know what I mean? You feel me? And you can just have fun. And as y'all see, them some really, decent vocal waves already coming in. Now, if you needed to, you could turn your preamp up or down on your preamp. If you got a channel strip, you can turn your mic pre-gain up and down on the channel strip. So that's all you need to start recording in Pro Tools, real quick and simple. Now I'm gonna be back with some more videos, just showing y'all really how to get it to sound good, how to put the right compressor, EQs. We gonna get into all that, but you gotta subscribe, my baby. You feel me? All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Appreciate y'all tuning in, and until next time, holla at your boy.